Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your math teacher and today we are learning Countdown 4. So before start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from KitKat Digital Learning. Like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is arrange the following in ascending order. So before starting this question, I would like to define you in ascending order. So in ascending order, we can arrange the numbers from less than to greater than. And so our question is 4529865 452888653 and 453088653. So simply we can count the last three digits. So last three digits of three both values are same 653, 653 and 653. So we can see the next last three digit. So next digits of last three digits are 298, other one is 288 and third is 308. So simply we can write the 288 value, then we can write the 298 value, then last we can write 308 value because 308 is much greater than two other numbers. Number two part is 70111262, 7011162 and 70021 So simply we can arrange these from smaller to greater value. So our much smaller value is 7002162. Next is greater is 7011262 and much greater is 7011162. Next question is arrange the following descending order. So in descending order we can write the greater number then smaller and then much smaller. So in this question we have the value 69254,823, 69654,823 and 69045,823. So simply we can see the value of much greater than the others. So 69645,823 is much greater than the other value. So we can write this. So next is 69245,823, then a smaller value than this and much smaller value is 69045,823. Number second part is 10153,215, 10133,215 and 10143,215. So simply we can see the value that is much greater than the other both values. So 10153,215 is much greater than value. Next is 10143,215 value that is smaller than first value, and last much smaller value is 10133,215. So this is descending order. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project as 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.